Okay, so today I'm going to interview Ross Bennett from Mortgage Options NI, and we're going to ask him a few questions about mortgages. So, Ross, what do first-time buyers in Northern Ireland need before getting a mortgage?
Okay, what they need is a deposit, minimum deposit 5%. The bigger the deposit you put down, the better the deal you're going to get. They need a current bank account, and they'll need 3 months statements, bank statements, and 3 months pay slips. They need to make sure that they're on the voters roll and the address they're presently living at. That's very important, important for their credit rating. And it would be a good thing to have a credit card. Doesn't necessarily have to be paid up, but to make sure that they are paying it and that their credit's good. Next thing they do is they do an agreement in principle, which is not a full mortgage. It's just a basic mortgage to see if the bank or building society will lend them the money and how much they will lend them. Then we would give them a certificate that the estate agent will ask for the agreement in principle to make sure that they're kosher, and then they can go and negotiate and look for a house. When they found a home that they really want to buy, then they come back for a second appointment and we do a full application. And that entails doing a fact find to find out about them, about their financial situation, their affordability, if they can't actually afford it. Then we send that off to the bank or building society that's going to lend them the money. And the next thing that happens after that is the solicitor which we can help them with will get a letter of offer saying that, yes, we're prepared to lend you this money. They will get a copy and I will get a copy, and we all check it off to see that it's right, and it's always right. They sign to say, yes, this is who I am and I'm prepared to take this mortgage on, basically. And they send it back to the solicitor, who then sends it to the lender. The lender then sends the solicitor the money, and then he sends the money on to whoever is selling the house. They then get the key and they walk in and they'll be in debt ever after. No, buying a house for the first time is always a bit daunting. So you need to have guidance all the way. And guidance, I don't mean getting a money saving expert or money supermarket and listen to these people. You need to sit down with a registered independent broker who will guide you through all the steps. Any questions you have, the phone's there, lift it, email. People will have questions, and it's the broker's job to keep them right and keep them on a level playing field. It should be painless, but sometimes you get glitches, and that's what the broker's there for, to smooth that out.
That's great, Ross. Thank you. If you have any questions or if you'd like to get in touch with Ross, you can click on the link below and that'll take you straight to Ross's website, and you can telephone him or email him from there. All right. Thank you. Thank you, Ross. Speak soon.
My pleasure.
Thank you. Bye.